doll collectors, gift givers, and fabsome besties. I'm Toya, an adult doll collector, and I've been collecting stuff. We have some Barbie fashion packs and 2 new Barbie Fashionistas. I've ordered more, but these are the only 2 that have arrived so far. We're gonna have fun today looking at dolls and accessories, so let's get started. But first, I have to change our Abby-inspired doll from turning red. Sorry, but you've gotta go. Aw, man. Instead, we are going to use Barbie Fashionista number 177, the same doll that we use for our model Mikasa. I think she might match the curvy made-to-move yoga body. Oh yeah, that looks like a match. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. Place the dolls in a plastic bag. I'm just using a Ziploc bag. Then place them into a cup of hot water until their heads are soft enough that they can be removed. Place the new head on the made-to-move body. And now we have a curvy Abby. I'm gonna just go ahead and play into the purple and give her this cute little Barbie dress, a purple headband, and white sneakers. Taking artistic liberties, I didn't do the overalls, but I like this look. And now we have a curvy Mikasa. Abby. And if I can't resist the urge to put overalls on the doll, then we can just throw a jean overall dress right on top. We do lose some of the purple, but we get our overalls. Here is Barbie Fashionista number 190. I bought this doll on Amazon for $9.99. She has blonde hair with purple streaks in the front, a shiny pixelated face, but let's be honest, I'm just here for the clothes. She wears a multicolored dress with a cutout in the front, black straps. The pattern continues all the way around. She has a pink watch and green shoes. Oh wow, these shoes make me very tall. They're adding like a whole extra half inch. Cute look for summer? What do you think? I found this little accessory pack at Walmart. I think it was less than $5. It has a travel theme. It comes with a blue bag with an orange molded scarf, pink shoes for tall and curvy Barbies, a pink camera, a mask, a neck pillow. It has little cat ears on it, a lavender visor, yellow watch, headphones, gold colored glasses. Mine seem to have a little line on them, sunblock, and a passport. These are a lot of items we already have in our collection in different colors. The little paperboard passport is a fun detail. However, I would have loved to have had a bag that we could put it in since this set seems to have a travel theme. Like maybe this type of bag. It can easily fit the sunblock and passport. This fashion pack was less than $5. Fabric made from recycled plastic, excludes trim. Seriously, my Velcro is not attached. Just a second. Here's the outfit on a classic Barbie. Since this is a one size fits most fashion pack, the shorts are a little big. We have a red floral print top, pink plastic choker, and purple boots. Here it is on a curvy, it's more fitted to the body. However, I can't get the shoes to fit. I picked up the Barbie Zoologist for $14.99 on Amazon. I thought the pink shirt might be cute. It does have a lot of printed details. There's a little globe on her shoulder. I'm not sure why the leaf is there, but it Velcros in the front. She comes with khaki colored shorts, tan boots, and a brown hat. There are also white binoculars, a stethoscope, little koalas, a bottle, and I don't think I have one in this color, so that's cool, and a clipboard. We can take a little piece of paper and roll it, put it in the bottle to make it look like there's something in it. And we can move it to the other end when it's upside down. That's cool. I did have to use tweezers to remove it, so you've been warned. I feel like I can rock this hat this summer. I don't know. What do y'all think? Am I guilty of buying dolls just for their clothes? Yes I am. But I totally prefer fashion packs. I've been looking at this fashion pack for a minute. It's an oversized pink hoodie with a dinosaur graphic on the front, puff sleeves, more purple boots, a blue hip bag or fanny pack, pink bracelet, purple plastic scrunchie, and a green bag, a green necklace, and yellow visor. Here it is on a curvy. Am I taking the hangers off the fashion packs to use as doll hangers? Yes I am. Barbie Fashionista number 186. I was really excited for this doll. We just have a few issues. Let's see if we can just hide this one. I love the June face sculpt. It's just, her face is a little shiny and super pixelated. She has burgundy braids, gold-colored earrings, wears a pink, yellow, and white dress that says love, and comes with white shoes. This is a curvy Barbie. If we're trying to match her with a made-to-move body, here is the BMR 1959 curvy. And the skin tone is off just a little. The Fashionista is a little warmer than the BMR doll. If you don't mind going to a classic body type, then Fashionista 166 looks like a good match. But I don't think I'm going to rebody her today. Maybe Face App can clean it up a little. Let's see. Hurry up, process the photo. That's better. Okay, Angelina, loving your new dress. Where did these glasses come from? Oh, I think this was from the Jurassic World fashion pack. Speaking of fashion packs, I got this on Amazon for $9.99. So, what do you think? I don't know. Not sure it's quite me, but I would love to see it in like a solid color, like black. It comes with white sneakers, a pink bracelet, and a second outfit, a polka dot top, and a gingham print skirt. Here it is on a curvy. I kind of like it paired with the jean shorts. This isn't Barbie, but I bought it for my Barbies. It is a mini dessert stand I found at Target. I think it was like $3, and I thought we could use it as a coffee table. Look at that. I think it could work pretty good with a high couch. And they came in different colors. I actually bought a pink one as well, but I can't find it. Sorry, so unprofessional. I found this at the front of the store in that value section. I think it's called Bullseye's Playground. I could be wrong, but it was $3. And that's a pretty good deal. I've bought these before at like craft stores and they've been way more than $3. We can use 2 to make a nice little photo backdrop. And I got these palms for $3 as well. I don't have a room for them just yet, but I will. Here's an accessory pack. We have a blue gem purse. It does open, purple heels, a belt, brush, pink lip purse, a purple necklace, red lipstick, a bracelet, pink headband, silver necklace, and a perfume bottle. I wish we saw these more often. And the belt is kind of cute. I would love to see this in more colors like brown and black. This fashion pack has a belt and a Western kind of theme. The bag is cute. We have bronzy colored boots, a cactus sling bag, yellow necklace, orange necklace, red headband, red bracelet, green bracelet, star glasses, and a pink belt. I thought this fashion pack looked kind of interesting. It has a pink plaid skirt with an orange plaid top and a white hip bag. These are 2 pieces we could easily mix and match with other items, like the khaki shorts from the Barbie zoologist. Who could that be? Barbie Fashionista number 185. She arrived just in time for the video. When I saw this doll online, I thought she would make a great alternative for Dolores from Encanto. The hair is already there. Bam! And you're done. But I don't know. I'm just not loving the screening. I mean, is that what it's called? You know, like the face paint. It's super shiny and pixelated. On certain dolls, you can totally get away with it. Like, it's not as bad on Mikasa. I mean, you know, Abby. But on this fashionista, like even her freckles are like shining. I think she is really cute. I love the hair, the head wrap, her dress. It kind of looks like bleached denim. I like the boots. Overall, an adorable doll. And we could probably get good photos if we just turned her slightly away from the light. This is a fashion pack I was very excited about. I bought it on Amazon. It has a yellow top, black sunflower dress, yellow flower glasses. The dress can be worn without the yellow shirt. We can pair it with the included jean shorts and sheer sunflower top and little pink bag. I think this is my favorite fashion pack of the day. But wait, there's more. I picked up some clothes for the guys. Both of the fashion packs were about $5 each. This one is a complete outfit. We have a yellow and green shirt, faux denim shorts, and white shoes. It's pretty much yellow in the back, and I like the length of this shirt, so yeah. The second fashion pack has a top and shorts. The top is orange, it says Love Cali, and the shorts have a graffiti print. It also comes with a pair of sunglasses. I bought several of these because I thought they could be fun new uniforms for the guys on the shelf. Here's Jules, Donnie, August. Wait a minute. They are totally giving boy band vibes. Okay, let's do this. Maybe we can switch their shorts to denim. Well, you know, printed denim. And let's add a few more members. This is Ken from the Barbie It Takes Two series from the camping collection. He already has jeans, but he needs a made-to-move body. And I know we could just use that one, but I like the hair color and paint on the It Takes Two one better. So let's place them in a plastic bag, then into hot water until they are soft enough to just be removed. That was pretty easy. Go change into your outfit and welcome the newest member to the band. I am also adding Rafa from Barbie Big City Big Dreams. We gave him a made-to-move body a while back. It was the BMR 1959 doll with the green hair. I wanted to add Jin from BTS, but only if he can fit a made-to-move body. It's not working for me. So here is the lineup. Let's put the It Takes Two jeans and put them on Jules with brown shoes for a Robert-inspired look. I did a similar look for Ken, but his pants are rolled at the bottom and I gave him some different colored shoes for a Jessie-inspired look. I gave Donnie rolled up Ken shorts for a Taeyoung-inspired look, or we can just go with Jin from BTS on his original body. For August, we gave him overalls, brown shoes, and a baseball cap from the Barbie tie-dye fashion pack. I have quite a few of those around here. For an Aaron T inspired look. For Rafa, we gave him jean shorts, some brown boots, and I used a red hair tie for a sweatband to create an Aaron Z inspired look, completing our boy band inspired by Fort Town from Turning Red. Totally not an exact match. I took a lot of artistic liberties. I'm not happy about Jen not being made to move, but those Ken Sweet Orchard Farm overalls are perfect. And this is a fun addition to our Turning Red inspired dolls. Thank you for joining us while we had fun checking out some Barbie stuff and created some Turning Red inspired looks. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, The Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!